Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you back on another little quick mini haul video. First, business to take care of. Got this in the mail. The bearded guy, Jeff Lawless. Thank you, Jeff, for sending me this. He says this: build those old kits and have fun. He's pushing me. He's nudging. He's like, come on, you youngster, build those old kits. Hey, I'm starting to open them up. Okay, give me a break. I'm just playing. You guys go check out Jeff's channel. I will link it in the description of the video. He's got a gasser, 57 Chevy, likes to cook food, and his beard is not black. So when you're on his channel and you see a guy with a big white beard, you know you're at the right place. But yep, big white beard, the bearded guy, Jeff Lawless. All right, thanks, Jeff, for sending me this. All right, Hobby Nut Models. I got a few kits from Mark over at Hobby Nut. He had heard me say that I was interested in there was a 73 Testers kit. It was a Fujimi reboxed by Testers. 73 Carrera and 911, and he said, I got something for you, and this showed up and couldn't thank him enough. This is a cool Fujimi kit, and it's not, I don't believe it's a turbo car. So when I saw that it was a Fujimi, I did open it and looked at the contents. I almost got stressed for a second, because that turbo 911 has more tubes and hoses than you can shake a stick at, or more tubes and hoses than Carter's got liver pills, or more tubes and hoses than a cat's got running gear. I don't know if you guys have ever heard any of those, but I am always curious to hear from the comments some of these sayings. Have you guys heard them before? And you know what's crazy? Sometimes all the way over in like Australia, New Zealand, those guys will have some of the same sayings. But anyway, ain't that something? All right, so anyway, 911 Porsche Carrera 73. It's RS 73, and it's a Fujimi kit. Very, very nice, and I really appreciate Mark. Thank you, Mark. I greatly appreciate you sending me this, as well as two others that I ordered from Mark's website, starting with this one. So I'm a Ford guy anyway, and I love Ford pickups, especially the 50s models Ford pickup trucks, and I saw this one. He had it on his website, so I purchased it, and I already had one. This is an open box, so saves me the grief from having to bust open the other. I can keep one pristine and have one to build. But interestingly enough, this is a 1995 edition of this kit. Isn't that a good looking truck? 56 is a nice looking truck. I just recently got a 56 model kit from when we were up in Maine. Interestingly enough, here that kit is. These are the same kits, with the difference being this one has a lower stance, but I don't think it's anything to do with it. May have drop spindles up front. I haven't, this one's sealed, but I have another one I'm about to show you too. But anyway, it's the same body, doors open. Probably the most finicky, terrible building kit. If you've ever built this kit, let me know, because I want to build one, but I know it's going to be a pain in the butt. But hey, that's what I'm all about. Just give me something that's weird, obscure, and terrible, and that's what I have fun with. But anyway, so yeah, this is the again, I didn't just get this, I got this in Maine recently. This is a 94. Okay, 94 and 95. So these were actually produced pretty close together. So 1994. But anyway, same model kit. And this one is the same. If you look at scale mates, all these are on the same progress line. My dad built this one, and I forget who sent this to me, but you sent it to me because you had heard my dad build it, and I was hunting one, and it showed up in the mail, and I'm so thankful for that. And I can't remember, didn't it come from California? I think it did. Did it come from Scale Speedworks? I don't remember. But anyway, thank you anyway. But I opened up this box, comparing this box, and there was some subtle differences with the chassis. Not the chassis, but the part that fits under the body. There were some subtle differences. Although it's the same kit, they've adjusted and done something different. A little different with the molds on the newer one than this one. And this one is from 1983. So they made a few adjustments. But this is the stock version of the kit. This is, then they're not 2-in-1s, and this is the street version of the kit. So anyway, cool kit. Again, got it from Hobby Nut Models. You go check out Mark's inventory over there. Never know what you're going to find. That's the good thing about Mark's inventory. You never know what you're going to find. All right, next from Hobby Nut Models, I purchased this Lindbergh 63 Mustang 2. It's a sealed kit. Oh dang, it's got 2 roofs. I didn't even notice that. You can do the fastback or the coupe. But anyway, a sealed kit. What's cool about this car, although it is an ugly car, I don't think they're good looking at all. Opening doors and everything like that. Concept, the Mustang 63 Mustang 2 concept car. They never produced this, like made a bunch of them. They might have made 1 or 2, I don't know. But anyway, what's cool about this is it's the same kit as this. And you know, you guys know that I'm an IMC fan just for the nostalgia. They're terrible, they're hard to build. Although that 48 that I built turned out awesome. I love it. I think it's beautiful. It was a pain in the rear. But this is the same exact kit as this. So Lindbergh ended up with the molds from IMC, and this is the same car. So if you can ever find you a 63 Mustang 2 Lindbergh kit, you're actually getting it from the same molds from a 1965. I believe this is 65. Could be 66. This is an original kit, never been opened. Mustang 2. Same kit by IMC. So you're actually getting an IMC kit boxed under the Lindbergh name. Isn't that cool? So I had to have that. And you won't believe this when you see it, which you've already seen it on the thumbnail, so it's like I kind of shoot myself in the foot sometimes. But look at this. This showed up in the mail all the way from the Arctic north of Canada. My friend Ian, I-A-N, I say that Ian, it could be Ian, but I think it's Ian, sent me this, and I was absolutely shocked when I saw it. So sometimes when you get stuff like this, you think, okay, well, it's probably going to be like a rebuilder or something. It's going to have a built-up painted car, glue bombed. Not this one. It's all there. Shirley Shahan's 69 AMX Super Stocker, the Dragon Lady. Isn't that cool? AMX, they were just awesome. I like the AMX better than I like the Javelin. I never could dig the fender humps on the Javelin, just thought that was ugly. But the AMX, American Motors Experimental, man, that is one cool car. I would love to get your hands on one of those. I would love to get my hands on one of these, rather. That was weird. I actually spoke if I was, I don't know, that was just a weird comment. But this is kit number C3069. And if I'm not mistaken, this is either released in 70 or 71. I'm not going to take the box top off because I'm going to open it up and show you guys on another video. It says, coming or going, you will want to build this Super Dragstar. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? And I know a lot of you Johan fans are probably drooling when you see this, and I couldn't be more thankful to Ian for sending me that. He also sent me, so Ian is the guy, when Heather built her Jeep, we lost the headlight bezel. No, we didn't lose the headlight bezel. It didn't even come in the kit, because Jason over at Blue Ox showed his and it was still in the plastic. It was missing. Ian sent me a replacement, but I'd already cast one, and I'd already cast it, so I didn't need it, but I have it for an extra. And then he sent me also this whole bag full of Jeep parts. So I don't think there's a Jeep body in here, but practically everything else. I mean, there could be. There's lots of stuff in there, but it's like, well, I guess I could look real fast, but This is an older kit, older than the one Heather built because it's got the big mud grip tires. Yeah, so this is less the body. It's got the chassis, all the running gear and everything, and another piece of chrome tree. Anyway, thank you so much, Ian, for sending me this. Awesome. This is just so cool. And again, I'm not a Johan fanatic from my youth. I think they're really cool now. I don't even remember Johan. It was new to me when I got into the hobby 6, 7, 8 years ago, however long it's been now. It was new to me. Johan, I'd never heard of them. But anyway, this is a nice collector kit right here. And just, I guess, I don't know if you knew this, but I'm a collector. So this is awesome. Okay. Alright, video is done. I think I covered everything I wanted to on this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, Mark at Hobby Nut. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Jeff, the bearded guy, Lawless, for sending me your shop card. You guys don't forget to go check out the bearded guy. And I can't get them all. I can't get them all in frame. Oh, well, there they are. That's pretty good. Pretty close. Don't forget to go check out Jeff's channel. I will link it in the description below. And that's all for this one. So you guys take care. Let me know if you've built this. I want to know how tough is this because it has opening doors. I'd like to know if any of you guys have built the IMC or the Lindbergh kit of the Mustang. Isn't that cool? And how many of you guys would like to have that 69 AMX Super Stocker? That is too cool. Thank you to everyone who supports my channel. As you saw on the beginning of this video, I'm trying to give credit where credit's due to my Patreon members. They out of pocket their money to me every month. I mean, they're giving me money to help support this channel. I want to recognize them, and that's why I've been displaying their names at the beginning of the videos. So thank you so much, not only to my Patreon members, but to everyone who contributes, whether it be a comment, whether it just be a thumbs up, just watching the videos. You're contributing to my channel, and I'm so thankful. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hey, we'll see you guys on the next video. Maybe we'll open one of these up. Oh, did I point at that one like I was going to open that kit up? Did I do that? Maybe we can go check and see what the differences are with the 56 Ford. That's a cool kit, and maybe check out the contents of the 69 AMX. All right, guys, done talking. See you later. Bye.